Are you tired of being bombarded with security alerts on Instagram? Today, I've got you covered with the updated steps on how to turn them off effortlessly. First things first, grab your Android device and open up the Instagram app. Once you're in, tap on your profile picture to navigate to your profile page. Now, look for the menu icon, those three horizontal lines, situated at the top right corner of the screen. Give it a tap to unveil a range of options. Within the menu, locate and tap on Account Center. This will lead you to a section where you can manage various settings related to your account. Next, tap on Password and Security to delve into the security settings of your Instagram account. This is where you can customize your security preferences. Now, find and tap on Login Alerts. This feature keeps you informed about login activities on your account. To disable these alerts, simply unmark the option for in-app notifications. By following these straightforward steps, you can bid farewell to those pesky security alerts on Instagram and enjoy a more streamlined experience. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your social media journey. And there you have it, the updated guide on how to turn off security alerts on Instagram. Give it a try and take control of your notification settings.